Hey there, in this video I will walk you through installing Python on your Mac operating system. From your browser, go to google.com and type download Anaconda in the search box. The first link should be anaconda.com with a pathway to individual edition. Go ahead and click on the link. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you should see Anaconda installer. You will be able to select the download file for Mac. As at the making of this video, the most recent edition is 3.8. The edition you see would be the most recent edition and may not be 3.8, which is fine. Click on 64-bit graphical installer and the file should be downloaded within a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, open your download location. For me, that will be my download folder. Double-click to run the installation package. If you get this pop-up stopping the installation, you don't have to worry. All you need to do is to give permission for Anaconda to be installed on your computer. Click System Preferences and click on Security and Privacy. And you can see here that Anaconda was blocked. Now click on Open Anyway, and you might need to enter your computer password for this to be completed. Now just click on Continue. And now we can start installing the package. Click on Continue and you'd have to agree to some terms and conditions. Just click on Continue, and of course agree again. And you have to select a location where you want the application to be installed, and then continue and install. And this might take about 2 to 3 minutes for the installation to be completed. And if you get a pop-up, just click OK. And this is just allowing the files to access your download folder. Now click on Continue, and we have our application has been successfully installed. So we can go ahead and close this, and we can move the installer to trash. We don't need that anymore. I'm going to reduce this or minimize this. And now let's open up Anaconda. So just click on Launchpad and type Anaconda in the search box. Double click to launch the application. So we have Anaconda initializing or launching. And it's just going to take a few seconds for that to happen. Once Anaconda is launched, what we notice is that there are several applications that are hosted by Anaconda, but all we need is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a graphic user interface that enables us to write and run Python codes. We now have Jupyter Notebook launched, and the next thing I would like to do is to dock Anaconda. That way I can quickly access Python. Next, I will create a folder on my desktop where I can save my Python files. And I'm just going to minimize this. And now I will go ahead and click New Folder, and I'll call this folder My Python Files. Once the folder is created, now we can go back to Jupyter Notebook and click on Desktop. And what we want to do is give access to our desktop. And now we can select that folder. And what happens is that now we can create files that will be saved in this folder. So whatever Python script we write, we can save them in this folder. To create a Python file, click New, then click Python 3. Alright, so we're all set to start learning Python, and in the next video I will walk you through Jupyter environment, then we start coding in Python.